Hello, students. A very good morning to all of you. Once again, I'm here with a very fresh lecture, for the new lecture of the triumph of surgery. Students, we had studied this lesson more than half we have accomplished, and we have seen in the previous lectures how an illness of a dog, it hovered Mrs. Pumphrey, okay, and she contacted to a doctor, Dr. Harriet, and later how Harriet suggested her to uh, bring the dog to his hospital. Mrs. Pumphrey was not actually ready or not actually prepared to send her dog to hospitalized because to be hospitalized because she nurtured her dog in such a great care, okay, as if this was not a dog but a son or a daughter of Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, she nurtured, she took care of the dog as a child, with all her luxuries. Okay, all the maids were in services of the dog, okay, housekeepers, so everything she gave to the in the dog's care. Later, after the dog, when the dog got ill, she sent forcefully, she sent the dog to Dr. Harriet. He did no medicine but only took a strong care observation on the dog, and under his observation, later after 2 3 days, the dog showed some moment, okay, when he melted with other dogs, when he met with other dogs and get acquainted, okay, with them. So after that, let us go forward what exactly we have to study after now. And later, Mrs. Pumphrey, she began sending his own dog some dozen of eggs, and later followed it wine, okay, beer, for the dog. But the dog, who was already uh, who was already fatty, and basically, the problem was his food habit. So doctor did not give all these things and began enjoying the egg and wine himself, and by his assistants. What happened later, let us see here. Sorry. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge. Okay, so doctor said, he could hardly believed, hardly believe when when the brandy began to came to put a final age on Trekkies constitution. Okay, so later, first she began sending a dozen of eggs. So they were enjoying the eggs, but later, in the Turkey's food constitution, later, brandy was also began to come. So began then she felt like, then the doctor got to know what exactly the food habit or misconception regarding the dog's feeding by Mrs. Pumphrey. He knew everything. For a few nights, the swine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. For a few nights, the beer or the brandy which was coming, it was pleasing doctor and his assistant. The fine spirit was rolled around, okay, with that help of brandy. He inhaled and reverently drunk drunk, and in reverently He began drinking reverently means respectfully. He began drinking or eating everything which was coming from the Mrs. Pumphrey side. There were days of deep content means satisfaction. These days were full of satisfaction, the days of full satisfaction, because his appetite was completely fulfilled with the help of the dozen of eggs and also the brandy. Therefore doctor said that those days were of full contentment, starting well with the extra egg in the morning. Okay, they started their morning with an extra eggs, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and later, in the midday they improved their diet and sustained their diet with the help of the wine, and finishing luxuriously around the fire with the brandy. And in the night, they luxuriously finishing their day with the help of brandy, sitting near the fire. So this was a luxurious time for Dr. Harriet and his assistants. So it was a temptation to keep Tricky on a permanent guest. So it was a temptation, it was a greed, okay, which came upon under doctor's spirit, that why shouldn't he keep this dog Tricky as a permanent guest, so that permanently he could arrange wine, brandy, and eggs. Okay, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone. Okay, but he knew that Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering in the absence of the dog, and after a fortnight, as she passed 15 or more of days without the dog, felt compelled to phone, and therefore in last few days she was forced to phone him and tell her that the little dog had recovered. And also he had told Mrs. Pumphrey that dog is recovering. Okay, so, and was awaiting collection, and therefore, and we were also awaiting collections for long days, which was coming in the form of brandy, wine, and eggs. So within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Okay, within minutes, when he called to Mrs. Pumphrey, within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming. Okay, 30 feet of gleaming means sparking black metal car drew up outside the it stood outside the surgery or the hospital. The chauffeur opened the door. Okay, so chauffeur means driver opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. Okay, and doctor was surprised to see that Mrs. Pumphrey, she was bodily there, here, but she was intently, or she was just moving somewhere else in her ideas. Okay, her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Okay, her hand were tightly clasped in front of her. She added her palm in front of doctor. Lips trembled and her lips were moving, okay, as if she was praying something. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth, is he really better? Okay, so she asked Dr. Harriet, please tell me, or forcefully she asked, please tell me the truth. How's my Tricky is he better or not? Okay, yes, he's fine. The answer came up from doctor side. Yes, he is absolutely fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. And he further also added that, Mrs. Pumphrey, you need not to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. Okay, you stay sitting. I'll go in and fetch your dog with me. So you stay in your car. I walked through the house into the garden. Then after, he walked through the house into the garden. He went into the garden through, passing through the lobby or gallery. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn. Okay, a number of dogs, all were hurtling or fighting round and round or playing round and round the lawn, and in their midst, and in mid of them, ears flapping, tail waving, was a little garden figure of a golden figure of Tricky. Okay, and mid of all these dogs, ear flapping, ear waving, ear moving, and tail weaving, was the little golden figure Tricky, who was also golden colored Tricky, who was playing mid of them. So in 2 weeks he had been transformed into a light, so in 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, means soft, hard, muscled, soft and hard, delicate, hard, muscle animal he was turned into. Okay, he was keeping up well with his pack. Okay, now he was, keeping well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. Okay, so he was now good in posture and physical maintenance, comparing to other 2 weeks before. Okay, so he was well with his pack of body, stretching out a great bounds, means his body was stretching out in great limits. Okay, his chest almost brushing the ground, and his chest was almost, brushing the ground. It flattened very tightly. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. He took the dog and carried the dog to the to front, front of the door through which he passes a bit earlier. Okay, he went back to the door. The chauffeur was still holding the car door. Okay, the driver was still, still holding the open door of the car. And when Tricky saw his mistress, and when Tricky saw his mistress, or Mrs. Pumphrey, he took off from my arms. Okay, Tricky, he jumped or leaped off from doctor's arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. Okay, just getting down from lap of Dr. Harriet, the dog jumped and went rapidly toward the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey. She gave a startled "oh," and then he had to defend herself as he swarmed over her. Okay, she gave a startled, she was surprised to see the dog. Okay, the in the posture, in the physical maintenance, she left him 2 week ago. Now his posture, his physical maintenance got completely changed. She surprised to see and said "oh," and then he then had to defend herself. And then, she had to defend herself because the dog swarmed over her, the dog jumped over her lap, licking her face and barking. And very rapidly the dog began licking her face and also barking at her, as if she found her mistress, she found her his beloved after a long time. Okay, during the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, and bowls, none of which had been used. Okay, during the excitement, when both dog and Mrs. Pumphrey was playing with each other, during that time, Dr. Harriet took the help of driver and took out everything which he brought with him, with the dog, like his toys, beds, his cushions, coats and bowls. Okay, which none of them had been used before, which took completely in this took back completely, or taken back completely in the same manner. So as the car moved away Further, when the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Okay, when car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey, she peered out of her window while moving car. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. Once again, doctor was standing, sorry, at his gate, watching the dog and Mrs. Pumphrey. While moving forward, Mrs. Pumphrey, she peered out of her window of a running car. In her eyes there was tear, okay, and her lips were trembling as if she was showing her gratitude for recovering to showing her gratitude to the doctor for recovering her beloved dog. Okay. Oh, Mr. Harriet, she cried. Okay, while sitting in the moving car, she cried out through the window that, how can I ever thank you? Okay, Mr. Harriet, you have debt, kept me into your debt. Okay, how can I just thank you against your help? This is a triumph of surgery, no doubt, doctor. This is the triumph of your surgery. This is the victory of your surgery. So she said these words at last, that this is nothing but the victory of your surgery, doctor. Saying these, she showed her gratitude to a doctor, and with these words, with these face expressions, she went away from her eyes, from Dr. Harriet's eyesight. So this is what about the story by James Harriet, named The Triumph of Surgery. Students, we have accomplished the lesson successfully. Now what you have to do is, you have to complete the question answer, think about it, okay, and also talk about it. Both the questions you have to accomplish, students. So keep answering these. After the lecture of today, tomorrow I'll talk about the question and answers. So till then, thank you everyone. You enjoy yourself, and we will meet soon after that, after the short break. Thank you everyone.